guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can either remove black or white video background on CapCut PC. So for other videos that have colors, it can remove it automatically, but it can't, unfortunately, on very plain backgrounds, I guess, like black backgrounds. It's a little bit harder to do. So for instance, you have this logo and is this in PNG? Okay, you want to remove this black background. You can simply just go to blend mode and choose darken. Oh, sorry. Choose brighten or screen. That's what I meant. And to show you that the background has been removed, I'm going to go to style and I'm going to select just a random background. And as you can see, the background has been deleted and you can replace it with other backgrounds you want. You can also do that with a white background. It is a little bit easier to remove background like so. So I'm just going to select this and then I will select the darkened one, and again I'm going to go to canvas to show that I did remove the background like so. Now you have two options. You can either have so if it's a black background, you are going to choose the brighten or screen. If it's a white background, you're going to choose the darken mode. Let me just again select the style for the background like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!